Bye, kumusta rin, bye? So today is around the 16th of August and medyo stress out ko bay kay bawa ka nga rin sa Australia karon. Nga rin sa Victoria mismo, sa New South Wales, like grabe kayang delta, as in abot ng 400 kapin. Ang government, I've said before, ang government dili gid siya mag-lockdown, nagdugay-dugay lockdown. Nya karon daghan na kay di na makontrol. Nagkalitsi-litsi na tanan, litsi-litsi na. And yeah, it's stressful and nagkan affected. Like kami here sa Melbourne, limpyo noon ta may kaduha na katulo na namong delta nga sige balik-balik sige mig take care. Yan nasa mga pinisting mga tao diyan nagparty, mga nasa medical field nagparty nya. Bawal gumi yung party kay lockdown mi karon, like strict to 5 kilometers so travel. Nag-lockdown mi karon and then it's shit cause na duha ka positive sa ilang party, which is they're not allowed to have an engagement party. Mga pisti, natay. Kung na siya. It's stressful. And kami, katog akong ulo sa konsulti. Kami diri sa Melbourne kay extended me 2 weeks na may lockdown. Na-clear na kami, 2 weeks lockdown may balik. And then ma-extend pa ginig 2 weeks. So ako nag-shoot mo kung here part-time for photography for student mo ko. So I need to limited akong work stuff. Extend or move the mga gigs na ko. It's so frustrating. So frustrating. And at the same time also, kanang muna siya, naghamang kong assessment, agwatunon, buisit kayo. But also sa Philippines, grabe ang Delta. I've heard na daghan yung grabe yung kay Delta and na daw lambda na nakasulod. So my family's there, my mother's there. I'm stressed and I'm pissed of the people who doesn't care. Magbinong buang. And yeah, it's really bad. And yeah, but I've seen the news nga ang Afghanistan, ang Taliban ni attack balik sa Afghanistan and they have taken over Kabul. Which is, I'm thinking, I'm stressed out here, lockdown, but I have less things to worry because people there in Kabul, people there in Afghanistan, they're in a bad place. They're people, and women might be, might be raped or something. Kids will be killed or something. Lots of innocent people. The Taliban are so bad, and they've tried to work it out for 20 years to get through, and yeah, they've destroyed a place. They've taken over it. Napagod yung mga allies, napagod yung mga uban countries nga naangad to. They still have taken over, and it's sad and it's scary. So at this point, I'm just gonna put in my mindset na I'm also in a lucky place. I'm in a better place compared sa uban. Though I'm a bit stressed and everything, I should take note na you're lucky, I'm lucky. And we'll just savor each moment and pray for the rest who are not in a good place. Gusto ko magyaw-yaw pero lamay kay nun wala ko yung right magyaw-yaw kay na ibang tao naglisod. Anyway, murag dramatics. Murag na itong vlog ron. And also guys, you take care and I don't know, just take care.